Surprise! It's a wonderful day for competitions.
I didn't know Riley had a hockey game today. It's Monday.
No, silly. It's not a hockey day. It's a day where we're going to have a competition in the Mind Control Center.
Ew, competitions? If I don't win, who would want to participate?
What are you talking about? Competition? I haven't practiced. I haven't got into my best form yet. Competition. Oh, how about I pass today? Just like discussed. Not today.
Nobody told me about this meeting. I guess it will have to be a competition between joy and sadness. Oh, okay. How does this competition work? I'm ready.
Yippee! Competition! Come on. I'll show you how it goes.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Nat and Essie. It's competition day, and for our first competition, we are making a joy and sadness slime. Ooh, competition between the two heroes. Here's how it's going to work. We're going to make a sadness slime and a joy slime. And at the end, you get to pick which one is your favorite. So make sure to watch till the end to see which one is your favorite. Okay, I am going to play a fun game. In here, I have lots of items that can help us make slime. Red dye, blue sparkles. Ooh, what if one of them got like these colored sparkles? Yellow dye. We're going to blindly put our hands in. Okay, here we go. And for sadness, I got blue dye, which is perfect. Oh, and I got blue sparkles. It was almost made perfect for her. I also get to pick maybe one on my own. Do you see anything in here that's sadness related? How about these blue sparkles all the way at the end? Here are my 3 items I get to use to make a sadness slime. It worked out perfectly that everything is blue, but what if I accidentally got something wrong? Okay, let's go ahead and mix up our slime. We'll add these ingredients and then our activator, and we'll put our slime, in one of these jars for sadness. For the base of my slime, I'm going to use some clear glue. Now let's try and make sadness. Let's add 2 drops of blue dye, a whole bunch of light blue pigment. Ooh. Maybe some more. And lastly, lots of blue sparkles.
Come on, Sparkles, get in there. Shake. Sparkalicious.
It's time to mix everything together. And I'm using my magic wand because I can't find a spoon anywhere. Mix it until it's all perfect together in the glue. Whoa. What do you think? We have to mix it. It's turning out perfect sadness color. I absolutely love that. Look at that. But now to magically turn this into slime, we have to add an activator. The activator is a chemical reaction that turns slime or glue into slime. Ooh, so pretty. Huh? Sadness? A secret ingredient? What is it? Are we making your slime into a cloud slime? Yes! Check this out. We're going to add a little bit of this cloud substance right into our slime, and we really don't need much at all. Stir it in carefully, and it's going to change the texture of the slime. Let's try a little bit more. Do you see it kind of expanding? I think that's enough.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5. That seems like enough.
Mix it, mix it, mix it.
Maybe a little more. We got to make her slime super cloudy. That has to be enough. Oh my goodness, it's almost drying out. There's so much cloud substance in here.
Time to add the activator. Oh, stir it together. This is getting hard as a rock. Maybe I put way too much of that cloud into this. Whoa, look at it. Let's see if we can even save it. Okay, we're gonna mix, mix, mix. I'm gonna get this off of my magic wand. Oh my goodness. And we're going to go ahead and mix it with our hand. And get all of this reacting together to make, hopefully, some really fun cloud slime. Let's see what happens. I think we did it. Check it out. Whoa, Sadness, that is some super cool slime. She made in and out blue Sadness slime. This is amazing, Sadness. Let's go ahead, place it in Sadness's container, unscrew the lid, and stuff all of this cloudy slime, if we can, inside. It might take a second. Hold on, because it's so super duper sticky. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It fits the container size perfectly, but my fingers are stuck inside. Okay. Closing up our first made inside out slime. And now it's time for joy. Let's collect our 3 random items. For joy. What's this? Oh, it's a scent. Ooh, orange smell. What's this? Yellow color. Okay, and lastly, what else are we gonna get for joy? Ooh, blue hair. Yes, that's perfect for joy. We'll make an orange slime or a yellow slime, and we'll add some blue on top. The base of all of our slimes is, of course, glue. So let's add the glue to the bowl. Next up, we need to make it yellow and bright yellow. So I added a whole lot of drops. And then we get to make this, whoa, scented. Ooh, that's a lot of scent in there. I am going to smell like, oh no, that's actual glue. Oranges for the rest of the day. Let's go ahead and mix, mix, mix. See if we like the yellow color for joy. I think I like that. That's so pretty. And yellow. And it's time to add the activator. It's going to change it quite a bit. Here we go. Just carefully mix that all together. Check out Joy's slime. I'm loving it. Super duper yellow. And oh my gosh, if you guys could smell this, it smells like an orange in my office. Mix it, mix it, mix it until it's ready. And time to get our fingers sticky. No, yellow. I wasn't expecting yellow fingers, but I guess I should have. Ugh. Let's clean off our magic wand. And I'm just gonna get one hand dirty. Look at that. Oh, yellow gooey slime. We're going to keep mixing. If it's still too sticky after about 1 minute, I'm going to go ahead and add more activator. Mix, 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 mix. Until this sticky mess is not sticky. Ooh, joy. We now made 2 different types of slime. But Joy's, it smells delicious. And oh my goodness, this glossy yellow. So now we've made 2 types of slime. We made a cloud slime. We made clear slime, but with a whole bunch of yellow and scents. And next time we're going to try, maybe sadness and disgust and fear all together. Or maybe some of the new emotions. Quick, let's go put this in our container. I love this slime so much. We'll open it up, but wait a minute. We haven't used our last ingredient, which was blue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick all of my yellow slime in to the bottom here. And then I'm going to take my blue sparkles and make her hair and add some to the very top, like this. We'll get some on the sides here, just like Joy's hair. Which slime do you guys like more? And if you think Joy and Sadness made great slime, don't forget to give them a big thumbs up. So now we've got a Sadness and Joy slime, and next time we get to make our disgust, fear, and also anger. If you guys enjoy this and leave a thumbs up, I'll even make envy, anxiety, embarrassment, oh my goodness, and ennui next. We hope you enjoyed our slime.